A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use CArt AI to generate very stunning images. You'll go to cart.ai and that link is available in the description of this video. So to start using the CArt AI, you'll come to the top right corner and click on login. And then you can log in either using Discord, Google, Facebook, or email if we have an account. If you don't have an account, you click on register. And after putting those details, you'll put your nickname here. So I'll just put my nickname there. And then you can choose what you're interested in. You can choose from landscape. Maybe you're also interested in character. You're also interested in art. You're interested in animal. You can select what you're interested in from all this. And then down here, you click on I confirm that I'm over 18 years old, because CArt sometimes may generate images and paintings that may not be recommended for people under the age of 18. So you select that one and you activate it, and then you click on start using. And now that will bring you to your page. Now you have been logged in. On the top left corner here, you notice we have Swift AI, we have Train, we have Explore, and we have Studio. So let's start with Swift AI. If you click on Swift AI, it gives you some of the images that have been generated, and you can copy their prompts. So you notice we have all this. Maybe we have this kitten sketched from an image. That's the sketch, and then the cat that has been generated. So you can use that sketch to image, for instance. And if I click on that, now I can come and sketch stuff here. So let me just sketch a face of a human. So I'm just drawing freehand. So then I put the eyes there, and then the nose, and then the mouth, and then the ears, another ear there. Then I can now put maybe a few of the other details about my image. Then with this, what I'm doing, I'm just sketching what I need to be generated, or this is just the base mesh where now I'll get it generated. So notice now I've just drawn that, and maybe I can add some beard there. So you notice that's what I have just sketched. Now I want it to now generate something. Here I can enter the prompt and I can choose the style here. So in terms of style, I can choose either comic book, fantasy art, or even photography. Let me choose photography. And then here, let me just choose old man. And then now it's going to generate an old man from my sketch here. I'll click on generate. And now I'll give it time to generate from my art. So you notice it's generating 3 images. It has generated our images. So you notice we have our 3 images down here, generated right from what we have scribbled up here. So that's one way you can generate images. Here you just give an idea of the sketch that you want, and then you can now use the images. So if you want to use any image, you click on the image. You notice that is our image now. We have selected the first image, and then it's just from the sketch that we drew with some beard, the ears, and all that. So that's how you can generate with Swift AI. So if I go back to Swift AI, you notice now I can also generate portraits, AI filters, HD restorations. I've already shown you how to use the sketch to image. You can also remove background from an image, still using CArt, and much more. So if you now want to generate some images from your text, you simply come to Swift AI, and then you can click on AI portrait, and then you can select any of the portraits that you would want maybe to use here. But no worry, you can also generate using your own trial. So you click on any and then click on generate, and then you now have the option here to type what you want. For instance, a boy with black wavy hair in his room. And then you can see down here what it will cost. So you can simply enter your prompt here. So I'll just describe here a woman running. To ideate this, you can click on this AI so that it gives your statement more details. You now notice it has given all these details about breathtaking scenery, about happy expression, about movement, the sky, and all those details. So if you want to change a few more things, you'll come to the left-hand side here, and then you can decide on the model. You can choose the model here, and then you can choose on the mode here. Is it default or auto? And you can even choose any, see art 2.0 or 2.1. You can choose the image quantity. How many images do you need? 2 up to 4, 1 up to 4. I only need 2. You can choose the image mode in terms of quality. Is it high quality, standard, or even ultra high quality? Let me reduce that to standard quality. And then so that I can reduce the cost here, you notice now the cost has gone to 2 units. And then you can choose the image size here. You can choose maybe 1 by 1. That is the aspect ratio. You can choose any other size here. So those are the details you can change. Then you can now click on generate here. So with that, you now give it time to generate your image. So you notice here, it's now generating the image. So waiting to start. And as that is waiting to start, you can also view other advanced things here, image to image, where you can upload an image and then another image will be generated from that image. Then we also have the expansion, and with the expansion, you are able to expand an image. For instance, if you had an image that was in portrait, you are able to click on expansion so that you can change from portrait to landscape. So you notice our image has been generated. So you notice now our image has been generated. There is this person running. You want to get the exact image that you want, you make sure that your prompt here is detailed. You can give more details about the image that you want generated. You can also upscale your image maybe into a higher HD or something. You can also get variations, different variations of the same image. For instance, if I click on V, you notice now I can get different variations of the same image. So, and then with expansion, if I click on expansion now, this is where you can now expand an image. Maybe it was from portrait to landscape. Let me do that. I'll click on that, and then I'll select an image from my PC that I want expanded. So this is the image that I've uploaded. So I want it to be expanded. So I'll simply drag this to the side, and then I can drag this to the side so that this can be extended. Then our image will be extended. You can also do the face swap, where you can swap a face of an image that you have added with another image. So for instance, with face swap, you drop an image here, or you can click on that and then you upload. So I'll click on that, and then I'll upload an image. So I'll upload the image here, and then on this side, I'll upload the image that I want to swap the face with. So I'll look for another image. So I'll select this image of the young boy there and drop it here so that now we can do a face swap. So we want to swap this face with this face, then you'll click on generate, and then you'll give it time. Now you notice the face of the young boy has been put on this old man. Now it's the same face of the young boy, but still on the body of the old man with the beard. So that is simply how you use CArt AI to generate different images. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.